Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I am going to show you the beautiful Next.js Bootstrap 5 fully responsive, fully modern and fully professional admin dashboard templates demo. So guys, before showing you working demos, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, also if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog, therichpost.com. Here's contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. And also, I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your services as well. And on my blog, you'll get multiple free admin dashboard templates, e-commerce template in Laravel, Angular, Vue.js, React.js, Next.js, Python, and so on. And all are free of cost. And now back to dashboard demos as well. So friends, here we go. See the beautiful first sales dashboard, and I will show you the multiple dashboards. So first, sales dashboard. See guys, just beautiful. Toggle sidebar, top section as well, languages toggle, day and night view toggle, card toggle, notification toggle as well, and admin toggle and settings toggle as well. Now, in the beautiful content section, see beautiful sections. And guys, I must say few things. I will show you all the demos quickly because there are lots of demos as well. So here we go. First, the e-commerce, the sales. Now the analytics demo. See my friends, analytics, see overview, session device, and so on. And next we have e-commerce demo, sales, expense, orders and revenue, and so on. Order status, see friends, there are so on. CRM demo, see CRM. Wait. And next, the crypto demo, the crypto dashboards, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and so on. See. Next we have NFT Dashboard, see. Projects Dashboard. Jobs Dashboard. These are beautiful charts, stats and tables as well. And now HRM Dashboard, employees leave, employees and employees, and so on. Wait. Courses Dashboard, master your skills with our courses. Students, instructor, total, and so on. See guys. And next, the stocks dashboard, just beautiful. Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, Microsoft charts as well, and so on, my guys. Beautiful chart. And next we have medical dashboard. Wait, just beautiful. POS system, see, the beautiful, isn't it? And also friends, please comment your favorite dashboard demos as well. Podcast, see, oh my god, oh my gosh. School dashboard, Widgets, and in the end but not, social media. Nowadays very popular. See. So friends, here are a few dashboard demos, and after it I will come with more things, and I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel, please support me, and in the end I must say, like always, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.